So
Yes.
I thought today again we'll continue with pronunciation.
All
So
right.
this one is the TH sound.
TH, the teacher.
Yes, right. So we'll have a look at it. So let's go to the next one. Right. So this is that.
That.
Yes. So this is the voiced sound. That.
That.
So yeah. So it is important to position the very tip of your tongue slightly in between your teeth and exhale to go. So that, that.
That. This.
Yes, very good. All right. So say as many words that have a voiced z in them as you can in 1 minute.
That is teacher. Um,
That, this,
together.
those,
Together.
together. Yes, good.
Mm.
Excuse me.
These.
This, yeah, these.
Mm.
Very good.
Mm.
All right, we'll take a look at some more. So now we'll make this sound.
Bars.
So bath, bath. And
Bars.
American English, they'll say bath.
Bass.
Yes,
Bars.
bath.
Bars.
That's right. Good.
So sometimes American
Mm-hmm.
people said bass, so you can understand or not understand. It means
Yes,
bars.
yes, we
Can.
understand. Yeah, no problem.
Ah, that's okay. So whatever which pronunciation, people always can understand what mean.
Yes, most of the time.
Okay.
Yeah, most of the
Okay.
time.
Mm.
Okay, so difference between voiced and voiceless sounds or the sounds. Okay, so you can read
Z.
this one.
You can make both the voiced and voiceless with
Voiceless.
you voiceless
Yes.
z with your tongue between your teeth and air blowing out. The only difference is that you use your voice with voiced z sounds and you don't with voiceless z sound. If you are not sure, turn your throat and see if you can feel in the
Buzz.
booze, buzz, buzz or booze,
Buzz.
buzz,
Hmm.
buzz for your voice z sound.
Right. So we have the voiced one. And then we have the voiceless.
Z,
That's right. That's right. Okay, so we're going to practice some words with the voiced sound in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. And we're also going to look at words with the voiceless sound at the beginning, the middle, and at the end. Okay, so
all
let's have a
right.
look. So this is the voiced sound at the beginning. This,
This,
the,
the,
they,
they,
their,
their,
them,
them,
these,
these,
those,
those,
though.
though.
Yeah, very good. All right. Now we're going to practice the voiced sound in the middle. Whether,
Weather,
father,
father,
leather,
leather,
gather,
gather,
either,
either,
or we can say either,
either,
bother,
bother,
another,
another,
brother.
brother.
Yeah, good. And now we're going to look at practicing the voiced and sound at the end. So clothes,
Close,
smooth,
smooth,
soothe,
soothe,
breathe,
breathe,
bathe.
bathe.
Right. There are fewer words that end with the voiced sound. So there's not many of them. Now, let's practice the voiceless sound at the beginning. Thirsty,
Thirsty,
thick,
thick,
thin,
thin,
Thursday,
Thursday,
third,
third,
thunder,
thunder,
thing,
thin,
thing.
thing,
That's better. Thank.
thank.
Thank you. You did a good job. All right. Now we're going to practice the voiceless TH sound in the middle. Birthday,
Birthday,
author,
author,
nothing,
nothing,
bathroom
bathroom,
or bathroom.
bathroom. American says bathroom, right?
That's right, yes.
All right.
Anything,
Anything,
something,
something,
method,
method,
marathon.
marathon,
Have you ever run a marathon?
marathon.
That's when you run long distance with lots of people.
Oh, marathon. No.
No,
That's so tired.
it's too tiring. Yes, I agree with you.
Mhm.
All right, good. Okay, so now we're going to practice the voiceless sound at the end. Bath,
Bus,
bath, both,
bus,
both. Sorry,
both,
cloth,
both, class,
death,
days,
tooth,
tooth,
math,
mass,
truth,
truth,
growth.
growth, growth.
Yeah, good. Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to do the tongue twisters. We just have two here. The first one. Three thirsty birds gather for a bath. You can say it.
Three 13 birds gather for a bath.
Three thirsty birds gather for a bath.
13 birds gather for the bath.
For a bath.
For a bath.
Yes, good. All right. Number two. It's a longer one. 33,000 people think that Thursday is their 30th birthday.
33,000 people think that Thursday is their
30th?
13th birthday.
Right. Okay, let's say it fast. 33,000 people think that Thursday is their 30th birthday.
33,000 people think that Thursday is their 13th birthday.
Okay, good. Which one did you find easy? Which one was more difficult?
The first one is easy because it's short.
Short, right. Yes. Okay. So now, which one? So I'll read the words and you must listen carefully, especially to the sound of the voiced and voiceless. Circle
All right.
or underline which one. Okay. thin. Clothes. Good. Breath. Good. Excellent. Well done. Okay. Great job. Today you've practiced some voiced and voiceless TH sounds. It's not easy at the beginning to make these sounds, but I know you can do it. Well done. Excellent stuff.